Hi everybody, my name is Liv, also known as Livy KK on TikTok. I'm so excited to be sitting here with you right now because AuPairWorld and I have decided to collaborate for this month and another month in the future. So you're gonna see me a bunch popping up here telling you all about my au pair experience and hopefully how you can do this too. But in this video, I'm gonna walk you through who I am, my story, all about my life back home and how I ended up here. So let's get right into it. I come from a very small town in Ontario, Canada. You look out your back window and it's just cornfields. So currently living in Paris, France with my host family, it is a huge change. I am not used to the busyness of every day, just seeing everyone, like the big tall buildings, the metros, all the traffic. I'm not used to it. I'm the second oldest of 3 other siblings, 2 lovely parents, my mom, a stay-at-home mom, and my dad, an entrepreneur in the restaurant sector. To say that I ended up here, I don't think anyone around me would have expected it, but I personally definitely did. And the reason I say that is because I was to a T an academic. I think it's important to say that, not to boast, but just to encourage you to pursue whatever passion it is that you have. I graduated my high school, top of my class, highest overall average, valedictorian. When I told people that I was moving abroad to go look after little kids, their eyeballs, their brains were like, why are you doing that? What happened to becoming a doctor? Like, you've lost your mind, like you're going crazy. You must be definitely lost, like you need help. And I was like, it's gonna be fine. And fast forward, it has been the best experience of my life. The transferable skills that you gain from moving abroad, especially to a country where you don't know the language, something in you changes. You are now completely on your own. Not completely, but you're on your own. You're allowed to think for yourself. You don't know anyone. You're having to make new friends, adjust to an uncomfortable environment. That changes you. You become a stronger person because of that. So for people to tell you that it's not a good decision, don't listen to them. I guess my desire to move abroad really started in high school. I saw people doing it, but I was really heavily invested in sports. And if anyone out here watching this is also really into competitive athletics, you know you can't just leave for a year because maybe you're trying to be scouted, you're trying to go play Division 1 somewhere. So you can't just leave and go do that. So this is definitely an option for later on if you're in your life if you never got to experience an exchange program. I always wanted to be a teacher, so always being involved in coaching little kids or helping out in other classrooms. When I was in grade 12, I was driving to my elementary school and helping in classrooms during my spare periods. And then fast forward to my university years. I went to university, I played soccer for my university, and while I was there, I volunteered with a program called Big Brothers and Big Sisters, where I would show up to schools and run healthy living, healthy relationship programs with kids that were in like the 5th to 6th grade. I also coached soccer teams, and I also volunteered in elementary schools at this time too. I think I was volunteering in 2 different elementary schools, so a kindergarten classroom and then a grade 9-10 classroom, because I didn't know if I wanted to be a high school teacher or an elementary school teacher. So that was my experience. Now, when you're thinking about becoming an au pair, it's not necessarily about how much experience you have. This is a cultural exchange program, and every family is different. There's no basic requirements, although I would suggest you have your first aid CPR, because it's always good to just have that in the back of your head in case, you know, a traumatic event like that does happen and you have to like pull information out and think really quick and act really quick. But thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Again, my name is @LivyKK. I hope that by me partnering with AuPairWorld, the organization that helped me find my perfect host family, I'll be able to give you guys a realistic view into what it's like to be an au pair, to help you guys find your own dream country, to show you how to connect with kids, to take an uncomfortable environment and make it a forever home, to answer your questions. If you have any, please be sure to comment under this video or any past or future videos that I make. I'll be posting weekly, if not daily updates, sharing information about anything that I just covered. If any of this is exciting to you, please be sure to head on over to any of AuPairWorld's social accounts and give them a follow, or my social accounts @LivyKK, give those a follow. My DMs are always open. I have a Discord chat as well. It's linked in my bio. That's specifically made for au pairs, future au pairs, anyone that's interested in talking to people who have been there, have gone through that process as well. I am super excited to go on this journey with you guys, and I can't wait to see you in my future videos. Bye!